Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Suraya binti Abdurrahim. Today, I represent my friends Nurul Nuha binti Zulkifli, Nur Fatin Emilia binti Sohimi, Aina Atira binti Ahmad, and Anis Nadira binti Nasri to present about berries for subject immunology. For introduction, berries are juicy, rounded, brightly colored, sweet, sour, or tart, and do not have a stone or pit, although many pits or seeds may be present. And as we know, berries are the best dietary sources of health benefits. Most berries come under the subcategories of canned fruits such as blackberries and raspberry, or bush fruits such as blackcurrant and blueberries. Berries also associated with their specific chemical and biological properties. Berry colors are due to natural plant pigments such as anthocyanins together with other flavonoids localized mainly in berry skin, seeds, and leaf. The berry can use in baked good, beverage, dry, and also can use as natural dye. Okay, for nutritional fat, as we can see, vitamin C have the highest percentage than other nutrients, and vitamin C is the essential vitamin for our body. Okay, for benefits of berries, first, it can help to stop heart attacks. Risk of heart attack will reduce by as much as one third if that woman ate 3 or more servings of blueberries per week. Second, help to protect lungs. Anthocyanins in blueberries can protect our lungs as we get older every day. Men who ate 2 or more servings of blueberries in a week had up to 37.9% less decline in their lung function. Third, act as antioxidant. A 1996 research report from the United States Department of Agriculture Human Nutrition Research Center of Again at Tufts University found blueberries to be highest in antioxidant activity of the 41 fruits and vegetables tested. Those workers had previously developed an analytical procedure referred to as oxygen radical absorbance capacity or ORAC. Then the analytical measurement of high antioxidant activity in blueberry fruits was proven to be associated with biological benefits in animal feeding studies. Blueberries delay and even reverse some symptoms of aging in rats. Lastly, it helps to lower blood pressure. Researchers conduct a double-blind, placebo-controlled clinical trial on 48 postmenopausal women with high pre-hypertension or stage 1 hypertension. Then, every day, half the women given 22 grams of freeze-dried blueberry powder equivalent to 1 cup of fresh blueberries, while the other half received a placebo. Then, after 8 weeks, the women who took the blueberry powder had significantly lowered their systolic 5.1% and their diastolic 6.3% blood pressure. Meanwhile, for those on placebo had not changed. Then, effects of berries on immune system and health. Generally, berries can reduce, repair, and contract the damage that result from oxidative stress and inflammation. Then it can also boost level of natural killer cells to rapidly respond against virus infected and cancerous cells. It also can enhance the cognitive function of human and give protection against cancer by boost the immune system and gut for liver and brain. Berries on immune modulation. 6-week intervention with resins had significantly lower plasma tumor necrosis factor alpha levels. After a month of consuming Boston berry, the study's results show an increase in general well-being and increase in serum lymphocyte concentration for elderly. Increasing level of this component can enhance protection against infections such as common colds. Athletes also experience a decline in immune activity following intense exercise. Several studies were carried which athletes were treated with quercetin, flavonoids that were found in berries. Results show administration of quercetin helps in reduction of upper respiratory tract infection. Quercetin intake affected transcription of a number of immune-related genes, but further research needed to verify the study. Berries can also act as potential anti-influenza factor. Anthocyanins and other classes of flavonoids, proanthocyanidins, and phenolic acids that are present in the berries act as antiviral activity against influenza viruses. Components in berry fruits may inhibit replication of virus either directly or indirectly, such as blocking glycoprotein surface of influenza viruses and stimulates immune system of the organism. Berries on gastric health. As we know, Helicobacter pylori is an organism that able to survive and proliferate human stomach, which a risk for acute gastritis. A high molecular components from cranberry juice can inhibit addition of bacteria such as Helicobacter pylori to the lining of stomach. But only female patients show significant result in this cranberry-mediated treatment. Okay, for the conclusion, berries are rich in vitamin C and other phytochemicals that may work as antioxidant and prevent injury to cells. Eating berries can reduce, repair, and counteract the damage that result from oxidative stress and inflammation because berries contain highest antioxidant activity. Berries can also increase in serum lymphocyte concentration (NKT and B cells) for elderly to enhance the protection against infections such as common colds. Several classes of flavonoids such as anthocyanins that present in berries can, can act as antiviral activity against influenza viruses. Lastly, berries can also improve the cognitive function, give protection against cancer by boost the immune system, and gut for liver and brain. Okay, so this is our list of references. So thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum.